Hello everyone, this is Tiffany introducing our new Christmas ribbon collection. First up is our Christmas reindeer design. These playful patterns bring the joy of the season to life and vibrant plates and glitter essence. Perfect for any Christmas setup, this reindeer add a whimsical charm that is sure to stand out. Next is the Joy Reindeers design series. Capture the cozy winter forest featuring reindeer pulling gift cards in classic holiday colors. These ribbons are ideal for adding a touch of nostalgia and warmth to your holiday. Our Christmas red floral design features luxury red poinsettias with sparkling essence, bringing an elegant and traditional feel to any project. The rich red tones and glitter details make the perfect choice for your holiday. Next, Christmas tree design are festival essential showcasing classic tree patterns in various styles from rustic to modern. These ribbons are good, making them perfect for work, gift wrapping, and any holidays. The Christmas ornament collection is about fun, with design featuring gift boxes, snowflakes, and gingerbread houses. These ribbons add a playful and cheerful touch, making them ideal for family-friendly decorations. Finally, our shimmery design ribbons bring a touch of sparkle to your Christmas setup with glittery words and gingerbread houses. These are great for those who want to transition simply from fall to winter decors. Add a festive flourish to your holiday project with our Christmas ribbon collections.